Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for taking the time to listen to our information session. My name is Elaina. I'm a Student Recruitment Associate at the McGill School of Continuing Studies, and I'll be presenting today our 2021 Summer Short Programs. We have made a few adjustments to our summer session, so I'll be going through all the details with you. So to start our presentation, I'll be giving you some interesting facts about McGill. So McGill University was founded in 1821. We recently celebrated McGill's bicentennial, so its 200th anniversary of its founding. McGill has made the list of different world university ranking systems for higher education, and we've already been placed 42nd in 2021 by Times Higher Education. McGill holds a total of 12 Nobel Prizes, and these were prizes that were won in different fields, but mainly in chemistry, in physics, and in medicine. We have a total of 147 Rhodes Scholars. These were awards that were given to students for their academic achievements, and they were given the opportunity to study at the University of Oxford for up to 2 years. For last academic year, we have welcomed over 40,000 students in over 300 programs, and 30.1% of our students were international students. McGill University is a research-intensive university, so we have a yearly budget of $500 million, and McGill also has a very big impact on the Canadian economy, generating $5.2 billion every year. Our campus is located in downtown Montreal, and our city was voted the 6th best city in the world for students in 2019. So the programs that I will be presenting today are offered at the McGill School of Continuing Studies. So we welcomed approximately 6,000 students in a wide range of programs. So we offer short-term credit-based programs in business and management. So we offer different certificates and different diplomas at the undergraduate and graduate level. We also offer language programs for both English and French intensive programs for 6 weeks. And we also offer non-credit short programs with transcript. And this will be the main focus of today's presentation. These programs are offered twice every year, once in the winter time at the end of January, and once in the summertime at the end of July. Usually these programs are offered for 3 weeks if on site, or for 4 weeks if offered remotely. All of our courses are taught by active professionals in the field. So all of our instructors have over 15 years of experience, and they bring that expertise, that knowledge, and that experience to the classrooms. It's also important for us to mention that all of our courses, whether they are credit or non-credit, they all undergo the same approval and quality control process as any other course that is offered at McGill. So I'll be showing you a few images now. So the first one at the top left here, these are the Rode gates. This is the main entrance to our downtown campus. Right behind the main entrance is the path that leads towards the Faculty of Arts. So the Faculty of Arts is the most recognized and the most photographed building on our campus. Next image at the top right, this is another angle of our campus, and you may notice here in the background with the red banners, this is our Red Path Museum. So this is one of the museums that we have on campus. And at the bottom here, this is McTavish Street. So this is where you will find most of our offices for student services. So our 2021 summer short programs will be offered for 4 weeks this summer remotely. So you'll be able to take your classes from home. They will be starting on July 19 until August 13, and we are offering a selection of 2 programs or 3 individual courses. So students will be able to register to either a program. So we are offering 2 programs, Introduction to Big Data and Machine Learning, or 1 out of our 3 individual courses. So we are offering Current Trends in Digital Communication, Introduction to Business Analytics and Data Modeling, and Regulation Mechanisms of International Organizations. So as I mentioned, our programs and individual courses will be offered in a live and remote teaching format. So you'll be able to take your classes from home. Our programs are for a total of 60 contact hours, and our individual courses are half of a program. So for a total of 30 contact hours. All of our students will be receiving a record of study. which is also known as a transcript that includes your final grades. And all students that successfully complete a short program will be receiving a certificate of completion from McGill School of Continuing Studies. The main requirements to register to our summer session is the English proficiency and your academic background. So students should aim to have a English level proficiency equivalent to 79 on the TOEFL IBT, 6.0 on the IELTS, or 105 on the Duolingo test. So these results are simply recommendations. They are not required for you to register. If you do not meet these scores, or if you do not complete one of these tests, it will not affect your registration. Since our courses are only offered in English, we want to make sure that our students have a sufficient level of English before registering to either a program or to an individual course. So these, again, are simply recommendations. If you completed another English test or you believe that your English is strong enough to register, please do so. Applicants should also currently be enrolled or possess a bachelor's degree in any discipline. So these are the two main requirements to register. However, we do have specific requirements for our programs, our technical programs. So for students who are interested to register to our Introduction to Big Data short program, you should currently be enrolled or have completed a degree in one of these fields, either engineering, science, or commerce in management information systems. It's also important that you have a solid understanding of statistical concepts and that you have essential skills in Linux, Java, and SQL. At the bottom of the screen here, we have included online courses that you can take to review your knowledge and your skills in programming before the start of this program. And for the students who are interested with the Introduction to Machine Learning short program, you should currently be enrolled or have completed one of the following programs. So either computer science, the field of engineering, science, or commerce in management information systems. It's also important that you have intermediate programming skills in Python. And at the bottom of the screen, we have included 2 online self-assessment tests that you can take to review your skills and review your knowledge in Python before registering to this short program. Now for the delivery mode, we are offering 2 sections for the schedule to accommodate all of our international students coming from different time zones. So we are offering 1 section for Asia Pacific time zones and 1 section for North, South America and Europe time zones. So students from Asia Pacific time zones, your instructors will be teaching from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Montreal local time. And for students coming from North, South America and Europe time zones, our instructors will be teaching your classes from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Montreal local time. So please be mindful that the times that you see on the screen here, this is the time that our instructors will be teaching here in Montreal. The final schedules are still to be confirmed. However, students will be having 2 to 3 classes per week for 3 hours per session. And all of our classes will strongly be focused on student engagement. So students will be able to have teamwork and discussions with instructors and with classmates. And there's a lot of opportunity to collaborate and a lot of teamwork. Your instructors will be supporting you throughout the 4 weeks. They will be offering office hours every week, so you can connect with them and get more support and ask your questions. Now for the fees, for the students who are interested to register to a program, you'll find the fee right here. And for an individual course, the fee here. This includes the tuition fees and the registration fees. The fees also include your record of study, so your transcript that includes your final grades. And for the students who successfully complete a short program, the fee does include your certificate of completion from McGill SCS. Now, although you'll be taking your classes from home, we are organizing different social and cultural activities for you to learn about our city. So students will be invited to virtual tours of Montreal, and we are collaborating with a certified guide of Montreal to offer these virtual tours through Zoom. Students will receive the weekly schedules and the Zoom links to join these virtual tours of Montreal. And on the screen here, this is the list of virtual tours that we offered last summer for students. The exact schedule and the tours will be confirmed. However, these tours will include different information about tourist attractions in Montreal, different sites in Montreal, different neighborhoods. So this is just to give you an idea of what we will be offering, but every week students will be receiving the schedule and the Zoom links to join these tours with the tour guide that we'll be working with. Our team will also be keeping in touch with you, so you will be receiving weekly newsletters from us. These weekly newsletters will be including important information, so important reminders about your courses, weekly invitations to the Montreal virtual tours, so you will know every week what tours and the Zoom links to join. We'll also include recent updates about McGill University. We'll include invitations to different activities and workshops that you will be able to join for free. These workshops usually focus on career development, and they will be free for you to join. And finally, we will be including interesting facts about Montreal. So with these newsletters, you'll always be kept informed of what is happening on campus, but also what is happening in Montreal. Now, for more information, you can visit our website here. Our website also includes the registration links for either a program or for a course. Our registration deadline is very flexible for the moment, but all of our updates will be listed on our website. Of course, if you have any questions or you need further information, don't hesitate to contact me here at our email, shortprograms.scs@mcgill.ca. It would be my pleasure to answer your questions. And I would also invite you to complete our student interest form. You can take a moment here and scan this QR code with your cell phone. So this leads to a student interest form that takes about 1 minute to complete. You can give us some information about who you are, what option you are interested in, why McGill University, what are your objectives, and we'll be able to provide more information about our summer session. So everyone, I would like to thank you for taking the time to listen to our information session, and I hope to be able to welcome you virtually to McGill this summer. Thank you very much.